the Fiil Driifter DNC Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at a neckband style earbuds, the Fiil Driifter DNC Plus. I have reviewed the Fiil T1X in the past and those were a great pair. Let's see how these perform. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user manual, micro USB cable for charging, and 4 sizes of interchangeable ear tips. The Driifter DNC Plus features 10 hours of listening time. It has quick charge, so 15 minutes will give you 1 hour, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 4.2, has active noise cancellation and an ambient feature to hear surrounding noises, button controls, micro USB for charging, and has customized nose balance armature. The neckband is thick, soft, and flexible with a rubbery feel to it. Looking at the earbuds, they are magnetic on the outer face so you can secure it around your neck. And on the outer face it has the branding. The inside of the earbuds have a glossy finish to them. On the right side, you'll find the microphone. And you also have the control module. You have the micro USB charge port, LED, volume up next track, volume down previous track, and the multi-function button. It weighs in at approximately 27 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long do we have to put up with this lonely charade? As long
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Fiil Driifter DNC Plus microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was also instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Fiil Driifter DNC Plus, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds are comfortable and it created a good seal. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. They felt secure and had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. The overall neckband, controls, and earbuds feel durable. The controls are responsive and I had no issues. Battery life is also respectable, coming in at 10 hours. The active noise cancellation feature worked fairly well and it blocked out a good amount of the surrounding noises. And having the transparent feature is also nice to have if you want to hear more of the surrounding noises or use during conversations. When it comes to sound, it had punchy, tight bass. Mids and highs also come in very clean and clear, and vocals definitely stand out. It is a bit more forward but not too bright sounding. I would describe the experience as balanced and precise. Very pleasant listening experience through various music genres, and the bass doesn't overwhelm. Overall, they're a solid pair for neckband style earbuds. It has solid sounds along with ANC and ambient mode. It is on the higher end price range, but you get a good amount of features. So that is my review of the Fiil Driifter DNC Plus. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.